This is also a request for early termination that the officer sent in. At the time, the ADA opposed the early termination because that's simply because he really doesn't feel like he's been on probation long enough. Mr. Perales he was granted probation in April of 2024 for a period of 2 years, and he's completed everything. He's met all financial obligations and has completed his courses. His UAs all have been negative, with the exception of the very first one, in which the court was aware. Mr. Perales is currently in college. He just made the dean's list, and
Oh, wait a minute. Stop for a moment. Excuse me. The person before me has done something that many of attorneys in here has not done. He's made the dean's list. Why don't I hear any applause for attorneys? That's a good thing. Thank you. All right.
Just Mr. Perales has also been invited to join the National Society of Leadership and Success from his college as well. So based on everything that he's done thus far on probation, the probation department is asking for the court's consideration for early termination.
All right. How old are you?
I'm 23, Your Honor.
All right. And what college do you attend?
I attend San Antonio College, Your Honor.
Also, see, people sometimes think that you have to go away to find a good college. I keep telling people college is what the students make of it.
And Judge, if you need proof of the dean's list, he said he can email that to us.
All right. So what have you learned?
I've learned I certainly enjoy to never be in this position again. And I don't want to make any mistakes that land me in a similar position ever.
All right. And is he on deferred adjudication? Yes.
Yes, Judge.
And so he's been on probation how long?
Since April 2nd of 2024, Judge.
All right. We have a holiday that's coming up, a little known holiday that people sometimes will lose their mind. So this is what I'm going to do. If there are no issues, probation, you submit to me the early termination on May 1st, I'll sign it. And you're allowed to report by mail. All right. So if there are no issues, May 1st, I will sign off on your early termination.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand?
Yes, Your Honor. I have one question.
Yes.
Or a few questions. I'm sorry.
Sure.
So report by mail, do I still have to take the monthly UAs?
Yes.
Secondly, it's to my understanding that my probation officer stated that I cannot attempt to apply for early termination until 6 months from the date that it was previously.
No. I'm telling you, these are my rules. My rules are if there are no issues, May 1st, they're going to submit an early term to me and I'm going to sign it.
Understood, Your Honor.
So you won't have to wait for 6 months.